What is up, my beautiful people? And let's hop right into this makeup get ready with me. All right, y'all. So for today's topic of discussion, what would my dream combination jobs be? So this topic is kind of weird because it's like dream combination jobs, like that's definitely a new one. This was really hard to think about because it's like the combinations that I was thinking of just didn't make sense. So I honestly only have two that would make sense and that would be pretty cool jobs to have. So my first dream combination job that I would love to have would have to be a dancing food critic. So honestly, being a food critic is my dream job of all time. Or being a food traveler, like basically someone who can literally just travel the world and try different countries' food, whether from restaurants or from different areas. That is like definitely a dream job for me to have, just to literally, get paid to eat food. I think that's like a dream job that everybody has, in all honesty, like Jesus. But yeah, and also I love to dance. Like I've been loving to dance crazily by myself for basically my entire life. So that would definitely play into role of a food critic. I feel like if I was a dancing food critic, you would get the 2-in-1 special. You know what I mean? Like I basically get to, do different kinds of cool dances as well as tasting your food. I feel like that would just be the goated dream job. And also, I feel like you're also getting an exercise while you are doing, dancing while still testing food. Like, say, for example, if you eat like a very, very, unhealthy fried food or something. Like, if you go to a restaurant, try like an unhealthy food and, oh, sorry. The mirror's literally right in front of you. I'm sorry. But yeah, say for example, if you go to a restaurant, try a very unhealthy, fat, greasy meal, and if you want to lose them pounds or lose those calories a bit, you can dance in the process. You know what I mean? So it's not like you're just sitting down stagnant, letting all of that fatty oils going through your digestive system. You are actively trying to get rid of those calories. So I feel like that would be the best job out there, because not only are you eating the foods that you either love or that you have always wanted to try, but you are also exercising in the process. So I would definitely have to say a dancing food critic would be my first dream job combination. So my second dream combination job that I would love to do would have to be a space cowboy. This one's kind of random, but I feel like being a a space cowboy is definitely out of this world. LOL, no pun intended. It is definitely out of this world. And I mean, I don't know. This one's really random. I don't really have like a in-depth. Maybe. Nah, I think I do. I just have to think about it really hard. So why would I want to be a space cowboy? I feel like being a space cowboy is basically a job that no one has. So I would be the trendsetter in starting a job that nobody has, or maybe no one even wants, because it's in outer space and you don't know what's outside of outer space besides of what we know from NASA. But also you may never know, like you could like encounter new beings that are not humans out there, and I feel like I could just make so many new discoveries. You know what I mean? Like there's one conspiracy theory that I don't believe in, that aliens are real. I kind of believe that they're real, but at the same time, well, majority of the time I really don't believe that they're real, because you need more backed up evidence, in my personal opinion. But yeah, so I feel like a space cowboy, you get to go into outer space, you get to look at these different planets, like from your own perspective and not from the perspective from other people on Earth. And you also get to probably see some new beings, and I think that would be very, very cool to encounter. And honestly, you may never know, maybe a space cowboy will be a new profession that you could get paid big money for. You know what I mean? Because whatchamacallit, it hasn't existed yet, and it'll be very, very big. So yeah, maybe that could be the next big profession. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so all I did was I really just applied on my Lash Sensational, I guess, serum on my lashes, and that's really all that I did for this makeup look. I know it was kind of quick and not really that organized, so I apologize. Next makeup get ready with me. I'm gonna get it together again. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope that you all enjoyed. I hope that you have an amazing Monday, an amazing week, and I will see all of y'all's beautiful faces next time. Bye, guys.